Foldable wooden ladder. It is a very simple design with lateral step pieces connected to the two longitudinal pieces with movable joints. Dowels in fitting holes were used to lock after unfolding or unlock to fold the ladder. This can be considered as an introduction to this basic folding structure because it is fundamental to the construction of other foldable furniture designs and may be referenced from future videos. The ladder was assembled by removing the locking and pivoting dowels to separate the lateral step pieces from the two longitudinal support pieces. The ladder was assembled by connecting the step pieces to longitudinal support pieces with dowels inserted into the fitting, pivots and locking holes respectively. Here the ladder was rested on the wall just for application simulation. To fold the locked ladder, it was unlocked by removing dowels from the locking holes. The ladder can then be compactly stored or transported longitudinally.
Thanks for watching, and always remember that it's not possible. You don't know which one is right.